The name Parkinson's disease was named after the English physician James Parkinson.
In 1817, he published a comprehensive description entitled An Essay on the Shaking Palsy.
Though Parkinson's research was later recognized as a major work in the field, it received little attention for decades.
Parkinson's disease is a progressive neurological disorder that affects the nervous system and the parts of the body controlled by the nerves.
Smooth and coordinated bodily muscle movements are made possible by dopamine. It is produced in the part of the brain called substantia nigra.
Substantia nigra is a part of our brain that helps control movements. It's a part of basal ganglia, a group of structures that form connections and circuits throughout the brain.
Idiopathic Parkinson is the most common type of Parkinsonism. People with idiopathic Parkinson experience tremor, rigidity, and bradykinesia.
Vascular Parkinsonism. It affects people with little blood supply in the brain. People who have mild strokes are prone to develop this form of Parkinsonism. Vascular Parkinsonism includes problems with sleep, mood, memory, and movement.
Drug-induced Parkinson's. Neuroleptic drugs that are used to treat schizophrenia and psychotic disorders are the biggest cause of DIP. Although DIP only affects a small number of people and most recover in months of stopping the drug use. People with DIP progress in the way that Parkinson's symptoms do.
In Parkinson's, the cell of the substantia nigra start to die. When this happens, dopamine levels are reduced. When they have dropped to 60 to 80%, symptoms of Parkinson's starts to appear. These earliest signs includes decreased ability to smell, constipation, small, cramped handwriting, voice changes, and stooped posture.
On the other hand, these are some of the four major motor problems: slow movements, stiffness of arms, legs, and trunks, problems with balance, and tendency to fall. However, several symptoms are possible that are not connected to movement and muscle control. In years past, experts believed non-motor symptoms were risk factors for this disease when seen before motor symptoms. That means these symptoms might be warning signs that start years or even decades before motor symptoms.
The exact cause of Parkinson's is unknown. It may have both genetic and environmental components. Some scientists believe that viruses can trigger Parkinson's as well. Treatment for Parkinson's relies on a combination of the following: lifestyle changes, medications, therapies, adequate rest, exercise, and a balanced diet are important. Speech therapy, occupational therapy, and physical therapy can also help improve communication and self-care.
In almost all cases, medication will be required to help manage the various physical and mental health symptoms associated with the disease.
We may each have our own individual Parkinson's, but we all share one thing in common: hope.